Everything.
You're welcome. We'll see.
Tell me about it.
Well, we finger paint. Well, we didn't finger paint.
You didn't finger paint?
But we learned.
What'd you learn?
And we play on the playground.
Yeah? What was your favorite thing?
The
Playground? Did you eat lunch? Yeah?
Did you send me some stuff to eat?
Yeah. Did you eat it all?
Yeah.
It's good?
What's that mean?
School.
How do you sign backpack?
We put the other side on our back. And the other side, and the straps go to here.